Yeah, it's right here. It's pretty finished one side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's kind of windy today, so. But yeah, I gotta go to the other side and finish the other side right now. So it takes time, but somebody's gotta do it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Got my little boombox right here. The car right here is chilling. It's windy day, but it's a beautiful day right here in Northern California. Nice and bluish and stuff. But yeah, this is the yard, the old school right here. If you can see the other truck over there, that's my landlord's truck, but I don't think he's selling it. But it's a Chevy. I think it's a 50 or 51. But anyways, right here, yeah, she's right there chilling right now, getting the carpet installed. Got you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, and God bless you all. And I'll show you the finished production later. All right. Thank you. Bye.